So you've poured your heart and soul into creating a beautiful Squarespace store. It looks amazing, right? But what if I told you that in the very near future, it might be completely invisible? The way people shop is changing, and we're going to talk about how to make sure your store doesn't get left in the dark in this new age of AI.
I mean, think about it. All that time you spent on the design, the photos, the product descriptions, what if the new generation of AI shopping assistants just flies right by it, like it's not even there? That's a real risk. So let's dig into why that might happen, and more importantly, what we can do to fix it.
Okay, the key to all of this is something called the Universal Commerce Protocol. You can just call it UCP. The best way to think about it is it's like a universal digital business card for your store. It's written in a language that AI can instantly understand. It tells them, hey, I'm a store, here's my name, and here's what I sell. Without that card, to an AI, you're basically a ghost.
Now, if this digital business card is so important, you're probably thinking, great, where's the on switch? Well, if you're a Squarespace user, it's not quite that simple. There's a pretty big challenge we have to tackle first.
Here's the thing you've got to understand about these AI agents. They aren't window shoppers. They don't browse your beautiful site like a person would. They are machines built for speed and efficiency. They are programmed to look for that UCP business card in one specific standard place. And Squarespace, right out of the box, well, it just doesn't put one there for them to find.
And that brings us to the elephant in the room. We have to be honest and direct about Squarespace's big limitation here, because understanding it is the only way we can find a smart way around it.
Let's just rip the Band-Aid off. When you compare it to all the other big players, Shopify, WooCommerce, the whole gang, Squarespace has, and I mean this, the most limited support for this new standard. It's not a small thing. It's a fundamental part of the platform we've got to work around.
So why? What's the technical reason? Well, it boils down to these two big no's you see here. First, AIs expect to find that UCP file in a specific folder called .wellknown/. Think of it like a standard mailbox address. Most platforms let you put stuff there. Squarespace says no. Second, it doesn't allow for custom APIs, which are like special delivery doors for software. So in short, Squarespace has no standard mailbox and no special delivery doors.
Okay, I know, that sounds pretty bad. But please don't despair. We're not just here to point out problems. There's a really clever workaround for this, a solution that will get your store right back on the AI's map.
So the best way to do this involves a neat little trick. We're going to create our UCP business card file, but since we can't put it inside our Squarespace site, we're going to host it somewhere else online for free. Then we use another free tool called a Cloudflare worker. Just think of it as a super smart doorman for your website. When an AI comes knocking, the doorman instantly points them to where the file really is. It really breaks down into these three simple steps. First, you create the file with all your store's info. Second, you park that file somewhere online. And third, you set up that smart doorman, the proxy, which makes it look to the AI like the file is coming directly from your domain, exactly where it expected to find it all along. And that parking step 2, you might think that's going to be complicated or expensive, but it's not. You've got some fantastic and totally free options. Whether you want something super quick and simple like a GitHub Gist, or you're a bit more technical and want the control Vercel gives you, there's a perfect free solution waiting for you. All right, so that Cloudflare method is the gold standard. It's what we recommend. But I get it, maybe that sounds a little too technical for you. If so, there is another way, a plan B you can do entirely inside Squarespace. Just know it comes with a pretty big trade-off. This alternative uses Squarespace's own code injection feature. The basic idea is that we're going to create a secret, hidden page on your site that no human visitor will ever see. Its only job is to hold that UCP info for the AIs. The process is really straightforward. You make a new blank page, give it the right URL, paste your code into a code block, and then make sure it's hidden from your navigation menu. But, and this is a big but, here's the catch. This creates the file at a non-standard address. Remember the mailbox analogy? This is like putting the mailbox in the backyard. Some AIs might be smart enough to find it, but a lot of them are just going to miss it completely. Okay, so we've covered the how. Now it's time for a little reality check. What do these workarounds actually accomplish, and what should your next steps really be? Let's be crystal clear on this. Doing one of these workarounds gets your foot in the door. It makes your products discoverable. An AI can now see your store. That's a huge win.
But what it does not do, at least right now, is allow for a full AI-powered checkout. The limitations of the platform mean an AI can't actually complete a purchase for a customer.
And that leads us to the most important piece of advice in this entire explainer. If your 5-year business plan depends heavily on being at the cutting edge of AI commerce, you have to have an honest conversation with yourself about whether Squarespace is the right long-term platform for you. Other platforms like Shopify are just way ahead on this.
But hey, that's a huge decision for another day. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right now, let's focus on the win we can get today. Let's take that powerful first step and get your amazing products on the AI's radar.
So, here's your mission step 1. Go to uscptools.dev. It's a fantastic, independent community tool. It's not affiliated with anyone, and it will do all the heavy lifting of creating that perfectly formatted digital business card for your store.
Then, once you've set up one of the workarounds we talked about, you're going to go right back to that same website, ucptools.dev, and use their validator. This is your final check. It's the little green light that tells you, yep, you did it. You are officially on the map.
You know, by doing this, you've done more than just add a file to a website. You've taken a real proactive step into the next era of e-commerce. You are officially prepared. So the only question left is, now that you're ready for what's coming, what will you build next?